So we took a walk on the property this week and found a bunch of trees down and leaning and all kind of stuff. So here's a few pictures of some of the damage that we saw. And this one tree is right across the trail we worked so hard on last year. So we're going to clean him up today. Hey everybody, we're cutting a tree today, and I think the best angle for my camera is on the other side. So we're going to try to figure out how to get me to the other side. So we'll see what happens. So under the tree are a bunch of little branches and sticks that broke off the tree, and I think it's going to hurt my knees or something if I crawl under the tree. I'm looking. Tim says I should go under. I want to go over. Tim's usually right. So if I go under, there's all those little branches, but I could just move them out the way. Is this where you think?
Right over here.
Okay. That way?
Yep.
Oh, that's pretty clear, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. It's been a long time since I crawled around in the woods. All right. Wish me luck. Okay. Almost there. Ta-da! So in hindsight, this angle may not be the best, but I'm already on this side now, so we're going to stick with it. As I'm editing this, I see that this tree doesn't look near as big as it actually is. And I'm not sure why that is. Cameras are weird or something, but anyway, this tree is giant. Wow.
Let's see what we can do.
Okay. I'll get the peavy thing for you. The pickaroony. So at this point, we're going to pick up what he's cut so far and put it in the tractor. Now, I didn't realize, I'm about to realize just how heavy this is. This is evidently a hardwood tree or something like that. What we've done in the past has been pine, and it is a huge difference in the weight of these hunks of wood. You'll see Tim use this pickaroon thing to move the stumps around because it's just that heavy.
I can cut that off and that off.
Yeah.
And one of them or something and upload it.
You wind up having to do a bunch of these little loads. They only have like 5 or 6 of these log thingies on them, but that's all that'll fit in the bucket. So we'll spare you all of those trips, and I'll show you this when it finally gets down to the big part of the tree. Tim is in hog heaven, loves to cut a tree, and so I'll show you that since it was, his happy time.
Well, that does look pretty good that way. That's some good cutting there.
Woohoo!
That is some good cut. Woo!
Well, our stack doesn't look like much, but I tell you, that was some back breaking work. Tim told me another reason this was so heavy was because it was green.